How can an 18-year-old turn $6,000 into a strong start for their financial future? Let's explore some smart choices. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. What should an 18-year-old do with $6,000? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, there's this 18-year-old gearing up for college with over $6,000 saved from summer jobs. They're keen to make smart choices with their money, eyeing options like a 529 plan for grad school, conservative investments, or even a Roth IRA. They want to steer clear of risky stocks and are also thinking about just parking it in a simple savings account. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, a Roth IRA is highlighted as a savings tool with tax benefits, allowing contributions up to one's annual earnings. Contributions can be withdrawn without penalties for grad school. Investing in index funds like VOO or SPY offers potential for long-term growth despite market downturns. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that opening a high-interest checking or savings account can yield over 3% interest on balances exceeding $6,000. It also suggests considering a high-interest certificate of deposit for a guaranteed rate. Additionally, it mentions that investing in retirement funds is more practical with a stable income to avoid early access restrictions. Here's one last answer from original post on Stack Exchange. I'll quickly scroll through the answer so you can read it. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. And just like before, I'll be highlighting the main points of this answer for you in just a few seconds. One response points out that it's wise to keep $500 to $1,000 in a checking account for regular expenses and to avoid overdrafts. They suggest having $5,000 in a savings account for emergencies and emphasize learning budgeting skills and avoiding debt before diving into long-term investments like a Roth IRA. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. Think about opening a Roth IRA for long-term growth. You can withdraw contributions anytime without penalty, which is handy if grad school expenses pop up. Also consider putting some money in a high-yield savings account for easy access and interest growth, perfect for emergencies. Lastly, explore a certificate of deposit for a secure investment with fixed returns. So in this video, we've covered some smart financial moves you can make. A Roth IRA gives you tax-free growth and lets you withdraw the principal if you need it for grad school or emergencies. High-yield savings accounts offer easy access to funds while earning some interest. CDs provide fixed returns but with limited access. Lastly, honing budgeting skills and keeping a savings balance can help you avoid debt and manage future expenses. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.